In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this repeated physics question on time. Alright, so we have only one question to practice with for this topic. It says the power source of a ticker time vibrates 40 times in 1 second. If the ticker timer made 200 during an experiment, determine how long the experiment lasted. Alright, so for this kind of question, just simple logic to apply and you get the result. So basically, you will tell yourself, it's the power source of a ticker timer vibrate 40 times in 1 second. Okay, so you see, if the power source of the ticker vibrates 40 times in 1 second, okay, then you now say the ticker timer made 200 dots during an experiment. 200 dots during an experiment in how many times? You're looking at the value of x. So simple logic, cross multiply. This will give you 200 dot times 1 second over 40. So you cancel this. So for instance, 1 point to this, we have 5. So it will perform this in 5 seconds. Okay, so the correct option in this question is option C. So that's how you can tackle this kind of problem. Hope you learned something interesting. Let's call the video here. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Where you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. And when I click on the end screen, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.